So we got the shape. We will take a design to add the changes there. Let's find a design there. Add again a paint there. Make some shapes. Also find a shape there. We have to make a shape